Everybody, welcome in, welcome to the Propz show. Let's go. How are you doing? Good morning, good evening, and I don't know, good lunch to everybody in Germany, I guess. Hello guys, good morning here. So it's 8:30. It's good morning. It's Moin, right? So welcome and congratulations to PDZ for the first chatter. And welcome in, PDZ, welcome XRL, and a very warm hello to everybody in the background lurking. How are you doing? Everything's fine in this Wednesday. Today's actually a little bit, look at this. It's kind of cold today, right? I need to put socks on because my feet are cold. But I actually appreciate that it's cooled down a little bit. It was so hot, so now it's fine. Finally again, yeah, finally again. Deserved, my friend, deserved. So let's go with this music. Yeah, so actually it was so hot the last days, and we are actually appreciating that it's a little bit cooler right now, so we can just work normally and not starting to sweat like a pig just by doing nothing and just sitting here like a sauna. So now it's fine. And Prost. Ah, nice coffee. So how are you guys doing? How did the week start? Did you have a good start into the week? I'm gonna definitely I have some plans for the bot today. It's the last reward that I built in, the Propz reward, and I want to do a command, and I want to actually get the user avatar to be inside of the video. Florian Dancer, how are you doing? Welcome. And welcome on in. Kampai. You explained already to me. I already forgot what Kampai was. Kampai is... No, this is the wrong one. It's Japanese, right? Oh, oh, yeah, yeah. You explained it. Now I remember. Okay, Kampai. So now I know. Kampai. So I built in the new Propz command that for the moment I'm the only one that can use it. But I really like it, and now on this part here I want actually avatar from the users to appear, so everybody can give props to everybody, and the avatar will just be inside, like, or below or whatever the video. And that's something that I'm gonna build today. So we have a nice animation and everybody can give props to everybody. But I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna turn off the reward, because if everybody can use the props command, then yeah, I guess we don't need the reward anymore. We just use the command. Maybe we can leave the reward there. It's like whatever. So for the people that know the command, they can give props to other users, and I think it's cool. It's a cool idea. But before we start, of course, we're gonna do some developer news. Yeah, and yesterday I just wrote it on the Discord. I found this new macOS launcher, Exerial, and I'm not sure if you're listening right now, but so you're also using Raycast, because it was pretty interesting for me. Like, I don't know, I think it's I remember there have a lot of animations here. I'm not sure, but it looks pretty good, and I think that's something that I'm gonna try out. But how much does it cost? So it's also build monthly. Raycast AI, Cloud Sync, custom themes. Yeah, not sure if I need that. Unlimited clipboard history. Maybe translator would be nice. Hey Fumbler, how are you doing? The high fumbler. Okay. Yeah, that's so sad that we only have like monthly, like that you're not able to buy software anymore to use it. Boom Kuncha, hi, how are you doing? Yeah, I know. Oh, props. I'm just using the free version more than enough for my needs. Okay, good to know. Props to everybody. Yes, it is props to everybody. So this is something that I'm definitely gonna look into. Because I also sent this one video to the Discord, and he was using like another launcher, but in combination with Raycast, I think. So that's when I think, what the heck is Raycast? And whatever, it looks pretty good. So maybe because I don't know, I never thought, I'm not the kind of guy that seeks heavy productivity. I'm just gonna try to go with the flow, but sometimes I guess it's not bad to get a little bit more productive. License, what is this? WebTools Weekly. This looks like this Google tool. Let's take a look at some new web tools. Barcode scanning for web apps. Yeah, I'm not sure. NPM package info. This is actually the one that I saw. is equal. Let's take a look at some metrics here. But Bumkuncha, how are you doing? How did your week start? Well, it takes a lot of time. Yeah. "34 best headless CMS." Better than expected, to be honest. Okay, that's nice, actually. You were expecting some bad or the week to start bad, but it got better. I actually have no clue about other headless CMS. I just know WordPress and Sanity, Ghost. I think I know Ghost. More like nothing is going for. Ah, okay, yeah, I know, yeah. That actually sucks. If you're working, nothing goes forward. Yeah. Drupal. From the most part, I didn't hear. I don't know any of these CMSs here. Of course, okay, I know Strapi, I know Drupal, WordPress. Strapi is actually maybe something that I'm gonna use, but I'm not sure. Yeah, okay. My year in code. Oh, this is my year in code. Ah, now I know. This is for GitHub, right? Oh, let's go. Good music. Longest streak, 8 days. I actually like the music. Yo, this is actually 86 commits for the whole year. This is not very much. 86 commits in the whole year. And 27 of them just in December. So I'm getting better with my commits, right? So Wednesday is my most productive day of the year, of the week. Really? 56 stars, pretty nice actually. So no surprises here, I guess. PHP, HTML, yeah, okay. I like the music. Lord Refa, was geht? Danke für den Raid. Danke.
Okay, let's go.
Wir viben gerade. Übelst gute Mucke, oder? Das ist, mach mal lauter. Kann ich, Okay. So today's stream is gonna be in English, so I'm warning everybody from the German stream right now, but I'm glad that you passed by. Danke für den Raid, danke, dass ihr da seid. Herzlich willkommen, einen schönen, wunderschönen guten Mittag an euch, würde ich sagen. Übrigens, die Mucke kommt hier von diesem Git Wrapped. Das habe ich hier gerade angemacht, das sind Statistiken, meine Git-Statistiken für letztes Jahr. Und die Mucke ist ziemlich geil. So, this is it. Lord, geht Lord immer direkt weg nach dem Raid? Ich sag mal hallo und danke. Und Sis erstmal. Sis, schön, dass du da bist. Willkommen. Let's go. So this is the earring code, the git wrapped. Yeah. Today's stream is gonna be 140 BPM. That's actually a pretty nice stream. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go. It's but that seems flower dancer. That could be like some aerobic. Yeah. It will be some kind of aerobic. So I would start to sweat pretty heavy after a couple of minutes. If the whole stream is gonna be in 140 BPM. Okay, guys. So now I just started with the stream. So we're still we having a little bit of look for new. Looking into some new developer news for Daily Dev. I don't know if you guys know this this site, but it's actually pretty nice. Gonna stay up to date for whatever topic you're interested in. It's about development. You're gonna find it there. If it's design, UI, UX, front end, back ends, whatever programming language you like, you're gonna find some news in there. It's kind of a news aggregator, but some kind of a social media component into it. So it's kind of both. And I really like starting the day, or maybe even ending the day with some of fresh news, you know. New tools, new frameworks, whatever, like Ghosty. I learned from Ghosty, I think inside of here. A lot of people are using this new CLI tool. And I like to start the stream with some news, but like most of the times, a lot of things that aren't very interesting to me, but it's fine just to stay up to date, I guess, because even reading their headlines, you know, you remember some things, or that you saw something somewhere. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. Not really interesting for me. But actually, just the thing that we were hearing, the music from Git Wrapped, I just found it here, so that was pretty nice. If you want to hear some good music, go to Git Wrapped. WordPress. Bun. Yeah, I'm not sure. Git Wrapped. Yes, Xera, you just heard it right. It's Git Wrapped. Hey, that's okay. This is actually a pretty nice idea. Imagine you have a tool where you just type in your Git username, like the Git Wrapped, but then we have an AI song generator that generates a song for your Git stats for the year, but as a rap. So someone is rapping about your GitHub account and how many commits you got and your biggest project and how many stars. That would be pretty funny, etc. I think that will be pretty funny. So this would be actually Git Wrapped. Responsive table. That sounds interesting. Yeah. Exactly, etc. Axel, good morning. Yeah, that's absolutely right, Pedicet. But Xera, maybe you're interested in building this tool, I'm not sure. Or maybe when I know how to use the Suno API. Yeah, little weekend project. So I don't know. So this is about the responsive table. But this is actually pretty simple. You're just gonna make a table, display block. So I know this already. So for everybody working inside, let's take a look at the new tab. So if for everybody that actually needs need tables inside their web design, there is a thing where you can just put a display block to your components, to some parts, and then they are gonna stack in top of each other. So the table would look from this, will transform to this one. So every table row would become like a table block. Luku, how are you doing? Welcome on in. Nice to see you. And of course, still wishing you well, to get well soon. Today's stream is gonna be in English, Luku, just so you know. Oh, this is actually always... Marty, welcome. How are you doing, my friend? So we just yesterday we took a deeper look inside the is equal npm package, and it was pretty horrible. But now, as we've seen right here, the maintenance is really bad. Like a lot of packages that are unmaintained. Yeah. Oh man. Whatever. Okay. So let's continue. This is good for other people that don't know this. Form validation that doesn't annoy users. That's actually also pretty interesting. Yeah, I can. This table link is so where's the share there? So this is when you got smaller size screens, then the table rows will become table blocks, because every table cell is gonna stack on top of each other. And I think this is the best one of the best things how you can display tables responsibly. Today's a bit weird because some German-speaking dude talking to me in English. Yeah, amazing, right? You're just gonna love it. Love the German-speaking dude talking English to you. Yeah, so this is the responsive table. It's pretty important if you have a lot of tables inside any kind of web design. So there's a new CSS pseudo class, user valid and user invalid. Let's take a look inside that. Form validation that doesn't annoy users. Valid and invalid. The new approach waits for user interaction. Ah. So this is the old one, valid and invalid. Okay, that's nice. Okay, oh, this is pretty nice. Are you guys seeing this? So this is a new CSS pseudo class where you can just wait for user input. And it's kind of sick, kind of insane that we're waiting for this kind of things. Oh, oh, now we've typed in something and then we see that it's not working. Okay, wow. Okay, that's nice. But what about? So this is new. It's from December 2024. But how new is it really? For now, the safest approach is to use supports. Yeah. Ah, yeah, of course. So this is also something. CSS has now this supports tag where you can actually make. How was the name in? There is the JavaScript way to do this. This is the when you actually look for browser functions. Hey, Soul321, thank you very much for the follow and welcome on in. Thank you very much. So this is, how is it called in JavaScript? I don't know. There's this where you check the browser for some functions. Whatever. CSS now supports this, but actually this is something that I want to... how many browsers supports this? Supports. So support is active since 2020, 2019. It's actually pretty good. Hey, welcome to the chat, Soul. How are you doing, my friend? Okay, this is good. So this is a very interesting function. Hey, but it's see you tomorrow, my friend. I wish you a wonderful day. So this is actually a very nice function that I'm not sure if I've ever used it. But it's perfect for checking for new CSS functions and or like classes, whatever. But of course you have to remember to reset it. So this is the fallback, you know, invalid, and of course we have to reset it to a new one. If we don't reset the valid and invalid, of course the behavior is gonna stay like the old behavior, and we don't want it. Okay, that's pretty nice. And let's see on can I use so it's of course here baseline is newly available since November 2023. Okay, so this is pretty new. Depends on the clients or the websites if you can use it or not. But it's since November 2023. Okay, that's good to know. This is pretty nice, actually. I'm gonna post it to Discord because I think it could be important for a couple of people that work a lot with CSS. Okay, that's nice. I think we could start coding right away, I guess. Yeah, I think it's fine for today. Blue Sky PDS, personal data server, okay. Website inspiration, I think not for today. Yeah, I think it's fine, guys. This is for today. So what we're gonna do now, I already just spoke about it in the beginning of the stream, but so you know, I have a new command that I created for the stream, and this is the Propz command. And so you get a stamp right in the middle of the stream, inside your face, kinda. And I wanna embed, I wanna make it possible so everybody can give props to everybody. So I want to embed the user avatar right below the video. So this is a video playing. And right there on the O, I would like to show the user avatar. So this is something that we're gonna build today for the bot, and we can test this easily locally. So this is what first thing I'm gonna try, just to start a server and then build the tool. Right now I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure if the command is getting the right data. Yeah, but we're gonna figure it out. So, where do we start? So I guess we have to start on the backend, of course, because we have the command. So this is the props command. It has a video and only mods is true for now. But the most important thing, that we need a handler that will actually execute some things for us. So then we have options, which command options. Stimmenerfahrung mit Raid-Boxes und kann das jemand empfehlen für WordPress? Hey William, grüße dich, schön, dass du da bist. Nee, aber ich glaube, die sind nicht schlecht. Ich habe die mal bei einer Konferenz getroffen. Das sind auf jeden Fall coole Leute. Aber mehr als das kann ich dir leider nicht sagen. Okay, this is the Twitch command options. I think this is right. So the thing is, what do we need here? Let's take a look at... und willkommen natürlich, William. What? Was kriegen wir denn hier über die Daten überhaupt mitgesendet? Ah, ja. Okay, Moment. So, this is the command. I get the user who sent the command. This is the text, the command text. And the profile picture URL from the user that sent the command. But this is not what we want. We want the profile picture URL from the second user. So this is the first thing that we have to try. So where do we get the data? Let's see. So the first thing is cons target as options point. I think it's param. Maybe, yeah, and we have to get the user data. Profile. So profile picture. Credits, so this there, now we're talking, okay. But I don't think, maybe I need a simple function to get the profile picture URL for whatever user. Yeah, okay, he's gonna return the Helix user. I think this is the thing that we can do right now. Okay, so the parameter is the username. So what we have to do is we have to get the user data. So this is of course a little bit too much. So this is this point, Twitch point get user. Or what? This data get user. So this is Twitch data. Wait. I'm not sure right now. This point data point get user. With the options param. If not target, return, I guess. So what will the handler return? Does it need to be? Yeah, it's whatever. Okay, so this is Twitch data get user. If we don't, if Twitch doesn't find a user, then something is wrong and we need to return. But if we find a user, then what? Then what? So we will have this point. I add this. Send maybe. Send WebSocket data. So I think I have to handle this as an event and not as a command. So because the command, the data that I get from the command is not the right data. So I need to send it twice, I guess. Yeah, this is not the only one, right? So, so process chat command. Yeah, this is the first one. So this is the first data that I sent to all the parts that are listening. Ollie, how are you doing? Welcome in. Wie ist die Lage? Schön, dass du da bist. So this is the first data. Sender command name command. And then I actually execute a command handler. So I'm gonna send the socket data twice. So, but it's fine. This is just how I need it. So this Twitch maybe send WebSocket data, and type is not a command. No, wait. Okay, now I have to actually. I need to do something else. I need to. Yeah, I have to try it out. I'm not sure. So I think I have to go to the process event, because actually I will have to reset this command so it does not has a video. But actually, I'm gonna build the data for an event. So the command executes an event. I think that's the thing that I have to do. Right? Yeah, this is the thing that I want to do. Okay. This event is event type and user. Okay, let's go. So this is wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. I'm gonna process the event. So what kind of data do we need there? We have the event type. So event would be, I guess it's just props. What else? We need the users. We still need a user. It could be a string or not. It could be just a string. So I'm already handling this kind of stuff somewhere else. This is good. So we don't need this thing right here. So we're gonna go with option sparum. That's gonna be right here. Event count is not important. Text also is not important, and test also. So I think this is actually enough to get the right data going later on. So I sent a command. The command actually triggers an event, and so because the command is sent from another person, option sparum. Or this is an event. The only thing I have to send is the target user. So the main user. to sparm, or this point data, this Twitch data get user. Slushki, willkommen, schön, dass du da bist. Welcome on in. So, but what's the problem right here? So user can be Helix user, simple user, chat user, string, and get user. No, this is wrong. User, Twitch user. Is this the right thing? I'm not sure. Wait, now I'm confused. So we have the bot data. Twitch user. This is actually the Twitch user. Yeah, I know. Okay, now, yeah. Okay, now. So we don't need the user, but we actually need the user display, user ID or username, whatever. Okay, this is good. Slushki, how are you doing, my friend? Are you happy how your week just started out? Propz. So param could actually be empty. And if it's empty, just get my username. And then we're gonna trigger this event. So this is the command. This is enough. Just trigger the event. And so now we have to configure how the event actually, what happens when the event gets triggered. So let's go to the config. This we are talking about Twitch events. Start event tags OBS. There's the rate events. I actually, yeah, I already do that with the rate. No, this is incoming rate. Okay. The start rate is something that I do. This is an announcement. They have a message and an event text. This is not important, but I know what's important. So we have a new event. The event is called Propz. And Propz has video is true. Yeah, we don't need to save the event. We don't. I think this is actually enough. So the other thing, I'm receiving this event. I'm gonna receive this event with all information that I need in the front end. So then in the front end, I can actually build or get the profile picture URL and position it in the right place. It's just like a little bit heckmack, but I'm not sure. I think this is the right way to do it. So let's close this up. So I just did it with the event and now with the command. And this actually should work right away. It should work right away. It's gonna be a long working day. I'm sorry, mate. I'm sorry. How are you still trying to do the Portuguese translation? I think Brazil or Portugal. I think we already talked about that, but I think it's a huge market for your application. So let's reload it. And now, how about, so the front end is working. This is the command reload. Now we're gonna receive the command Propz and the event Propz. Oh, yeah. No, what? Okay, this is actually right. So this was the command Propz, and then now we have the event Propz. Okay, that's actually good. So this is working. I just the error that I've got is just because there is no video file for the event, which is strange. We do have video file, right? It's done. Of course we talked about it. Yeah. I will take a look at it. So this is props. The props, event props. Yes, Xer. I think you're really getting to it. So if I send props slushki to the front end, then what do we get here? We got the user slushki. We got, so this should be right. No? What? Why? This is okay, so this is strange. What's the problem with this one? I think there was something escaped. I'm not sure. I didn't see it. Okay, this is working. Nice. So this is the props event. This is the props for the props event props. So this is Lushki. I've got this his image and his color. This is working absolutely fine. And now I know. Yeah, now I think I know what I just forgot something. The text for the video. Yeah, this is not working because I don't have a video. So let's see. I just have to take a look at the front end. This, where do I do this one? I think it's should be media board. Or what happens if yeah, I've already yes. But wait. This is just an alert. This is not okay. So yeah, now I have to really take a look where's the right spot to actually make the changes that I need. So it's not alert. It could be media board because I would just, I think this is the thing, yeah, it's media board. And here is some kind of problem. I don't have a text. Wait.